Daily Dose of Two reviews here today. Today we bring you Hyper Tough versus the new Impact One Warrior from Harbor Freight. We're gonna find out. We're gonna run through some tests and see which one is better. We're gonna go through some tests, like I was saying, and let me read you all some of the specifications on these tools. First, on the Hyper Tough, it is rated voltage 20 volts, no load speed, 0 to 2700 RPMs. Chuck size is a quarter inch. Max torque is 1375 inch-pounds. Product weight is 2.78 pounds. For the Warrior, we have 0 to 3000 RPMs. Beats per minute is 3400 pounds. Torque 600 inch-pounds. Battery 18 volt, 1.3 amp. Net weight is 2.9 pounds. Alright guys, so there you have it. So it's going to be Hyper Tough versus the Warrior. Now let's get started. In this test, it's a pre-drilled hole, not all the way, but I did pre-drill it with a lag screw. Then I actually inserted the lag bolt as far as the skill impact driver could take it, the 20 volt. Now I'm not expecting neither one of the Warrior or the Hyper Tough to make it through all the way. I just want to see how far I can do it. Then I'll take a tape measure and measure it, and then we'll see which one gets it in deepest. All right, so start off with the Warrior. Okay, that's where it stopped. Six inches exactly. Okay, now it's the Hyper Tough's turn. Let's see how deep it can put it in. Every time I thought it was going to stop, it kept going. Five inches and 1/8. We'll give that round to the Hyper Tough. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I'll put timers and everything. There's also links in the description. I think the Warrior won, but it's a much better experience with the Hyper Tough. This thing will rattle your hand off. So it's up to you which one you're on, whatever battery platform you're on, but I recommend the Hyper Tough more than I would the Warrior. Now I did make a video yesterday, and unfortunately my files got corrupted, so that's why I'm a little late on it today. But I want to thank all of you who are my subscribers, and those of you that are new to the channel, first time here. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, like, share with your friends. And Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year. And as always, this has been Daily Dose of Tool Reviews, signing out.